What's up, guys? My name is Henry from GI Technologies. Currently, we are inside Agona Swedru, specifically Agona Asafo. We are here to fix our balustrade, the stainless steel for this house. So we'll fix one here, and then we fix another one here. There's going to be one here too as well, and then we are going to fix another one here. Okay, then we will be putting one here. Okay. And then there's going to be another one over there. This project is going to take us some few days to finish, and as usual, I'll be very happy to show you the very final work. If you have any stainless steel job for us, make sure you give us a call. We are the best guys on the market. We have the best prices. We do the best job. Hi guys, so we are done with the stainless steel. Very neat. So this one, we are done with this one. And then this side, you can see, as I promised in our previous video. And then this side, come. You can see very neat. Yeah, so come. And then this here. And then this one too there. Okay? Very clean and very neat. Come, let me show you this side. We have another one too here. Okay? And then the very last one. Like I always say, if you have any stainless steel job, make sure you give us a call. We are the best guys on the market. We always have the best price. We do the best job. Call us. Let's do a very clean job for you like this. Cheers.